Hey guys, it's Ed again. Well, look what showed up on the doorstep this weekend. Just what I need. Another boat anchor. Boat motor. You know what I mean. This, as you guys can see, is a Evinrude. It's a Triumph. I don't think it's British. And it's a 55 horse. I'm trying to figure out what year it is, and it's so freaking heavy that it's almost impossible to move around. It's push button control, I guess, and the guy, my neighbor across the road over here, the greenhouse, he told me I could have it. And back when I was looking for a motor, she's big, long shaft. It's a big motor. So any of you guys know what year it is? I kind of looked like around up in here trying to find a tag on it, but as you can tell, it's been painted, so hard to see. Probably on the other side. But if any of you guys know, I think these things are 3 cylinders. 1, 2. Yep, 3 cylinders. Wires are nicely spliced together. That could be frightening. So, anyway. What do you think? Beauty? One owner? Not. Anyway. Just a quick little update. Okay. Second part of the video, or third part of the video, I'm lost track, is this machine. This is I think a 94-ish. Last time the sticker trail permit was on there. It was 94, 95. The earliest one was 94. This is an EFI Polaris. And there's a deal behind it, of course. Twin cylinder, liquid cooled. It's nice shape. It's been sitting outside, so it's got some bird poop on the seat, but the seat's not ripped. I did pressure wash it, clean her up a little bit. But here's the deal. See, this ugly Yamaha Bravo has got a good motor in here. That motor right there, 150 pounds of compression. It's got spark and a carburetor. But the track is, actually, I'll show you guys, it's pretty well toast. You can see the cracks in the track. It still goes around. It's one continuous loop. Yep. And we'll go for a walk over here. The plan is to put that motor on this one. Now this one here has 60 pounds of compression. And it's down in there, and no spark, but it has pretty decent track, and it's hard to see, but it's nowhere near as bad a shape. It has a seat that somebody wrapped like a Christmas present, but it has a seat. So the skis are a little torqued on this one. You can see this one's kind of bowed. If you guys can see that. That one's kind of wonky that way. So, see? So, but I think it's just this handle that's more bent than anything. But we got the other skis on the other one. So the deal is, it's my neighbor up the road. He wants this sled. It's a 250 single, you know, great sled, very lightweight, good with kids. Nice. Looks very similar to that one. Back there, it's a black 94. That's the one we ride in the winter. I got the hood up because I was looking to see what parts are missing off this one. But anyway, this one here, he wants me to make one sled that runs, one Bravo, and I get the Indy. So, not a bad deal. And then all I got to do is figure out how to make this Indy 500 run. It's got a good skid under it. Track looks fair to good. So everything looks pretty decent there. Track clips are good. So anyway, guys, as I'm babbling, that's what we've been up to. So say goodbye, Les.